last part of video tutorials initiated by Jember Fashion Carnival for World Kids Carnival 2020. As you can see, in this section, the participants will be showing their costumes virtually to the world. World Kids Carnival committees will prepare this virtual event. They will prepare all electronic devices required to air this show, from the cameras, laptop, sound system, and also the stage, to make sure the audience can see it clearly from where they are. Let the show begin. All of the participants will walk through the stage, and they will be showing their best performance one by one, depending on what costume they wear. Thank you, and see you on the virtual World Kids Carnival 2020. We are one.